Hi, my name is Erica Hawkins. I'm a web designer and web developer for Ascot Supply Co. I'm more of a hand coder, so there's a lot of issues. And then like the design part, it's a lot to deal with, a lot to juggle. And I noticed that Syncfusion has a Figma kit as well. So I was like totally sold. And then like there's previews available, so it made my life way easier than have to build stuff out, feel for it, and then go from there. So I was really excited with the customization part. And then you have several languages you can use: Angular, React, regular JavaScript, and there's a few other ones on there that's more like, I think, for apps itself. That's a whole nother ball field, but like there's tons of ways that the library kind of built trust for me, and it's like I can develop it again if I need to for the website and the product itself, which is going on these days. It's like they want the product and the website and the web app properly. There's tons of demos and there's tons of interaction there. No bugs. I also do QA. I'm a QA engineer on the side. There's no bugs or like major glitchy things, so I was really interested. Also, I spoke with someone on customer support. Everybody was really nice there, and like no issues. Like all the issues I was having just disappeared. The docs is definitely a lot of help, especially if you're a hand coder and like the vibe coding nature. Like no bugs, like that's the one thing. Like, so the document's there and it makes sense and you can take notes from it. Also, the design's already there, so you can kind of prototype what you need without having to like go through the design team or like a creative. Again, customer support, I think they're really nice and you guys are really receptive. Like usually with code bases, it's hard to reach out to people. Not gonna name any names, but like it's just hard. So it was really surprising getting the feedback I was able to get and being able to build this. Like then I have a community version right now, so like I'm not paying anything, so it's really awesome for me. From the work cycle, from a feeling perspective, like, oh my god, it's so relieving. It's so nice. It's so much work off my plate. And from a technology standpoint, like speaking on the AI again, like we're doing all this stuff to get stuff developed, even like Figma Make and stuff, but like the documents there is very solid, and like the components are very solid, design solid. Like you don't have to do that much. It's actually better that you can hand code it, and you'll probably get the result you want faster with this library that I'm using for Syncfusion. Like it's way easier, and like it makes me not want to vibe code at all at this point. So yes, I love style, I love responsive design, CSS. I love a really good fluid website. That's the main goal, like fluid, and after that like stylized and really has its own personality. And that's what my project is about, like brand personality and stuff. So I'm so thankful for this opportunity, and I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's like developer with like the aesthetic, or your client has aesthetic, your company has aesthetic. Like this is perfect. I think everybody should be using this.